Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Ektab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headline. So, first of all, uh, Dash bill, FinMin turns down tax soaps for says. Next, ICE two-wheelers to fall off a cliff. Ola CU. Next, white gold rush. India in talks with ally rich nation. Move to help local cell manufacturing boost EVs. Next, all wallet to wallet e-rupees transaction anonymous. Next, over 2000 transaction in first 3 days of pilot. Next, rupees 3500 crore PLI for toy sector soon. Next, railways may miss financial year 23 assets monetization target by 85%. Next, OPEC Plus keeps oil curbs in face of Russia sanctions. Next, Adani raises borrowings limit of airport arms. Next, Dharavi can turns into reality gold mine experts. Next, crude shipments from US highest strike US highest since Ukraine war. Next, pandemic shift booster for non-COVID adult vax. Next, on page number 4, in that data bill norms may be relaxed for some startups. Next, challenge is to improve India's aviation ranking. DGCA chief. Next, Airbus looks to India, Australia for green hydrogen supplies. Next, SpiceJet expects improvement in ops in December quarter. Ajay Singh. Next, Maruti Suzuki may fall short of 2 MN unit production target. Next, Jugal Kishore Mohapatra, new chairman of Shriram Finance. Next, Adani raises airport arms borrowing cap to rupees 16.5 thousand crore. This will help fund expansion of 8 airports. Next, Adani's project to bring down Mumbai power traffic's export. Next, GMR Hyderabad airport to raise rupees 1250 crore to retire forex debt. Next, Industrial Tower to rise up rupees 2000 crore. Next, Lakme turns 70. Innovation is the secret behind that age of defying glow. Then next on page number 5, in that government to regulate all real money games. PMO turns down proposal to only regulate games of skill and leave out games of chances. Next, Ola Electric plans steady supply of raw materials. Next, on page number 6, in that 20% premium for new gas production by oil ONGC Parekh panel. Next, ESIC to invest surplus fund in stock market through ETFs. Next, FPI turns net buyers in November invest rupees 36,329 crore in equities. Next, non-essential construction work banned in Delhi NCR. Next, 50% turnout in Delhi MCD polls. Next, G20 presidency trust friend Modi to bring all together, says Macron. Next, UAE now second biggest tea importer from India after CIS block. Next, high potential to turn Dharavi projects into reality gold mine experts. Next, crude shipments from US on the rise. Next India G7 JETP stuck has stuck has government wants to design own transition plan. Next, rupees 3500 crore PLI for toy sector soon. Department in advance inter ministerial talks schemes for bicycles footwear to follow. Then on page number 10, in that railways may misses financial 23 NPM targets by 85%. Next, draft dash bill 6 to bail out seize unit. The next on page number 11, in that target 151, BJP has eyes on the prize. The greatest solace for the BJP in Gujarat was the Congress inability to mount a robust campaign. Much bigger importable is now the Aam Aadmi Party would fare. Next, inside versus outside for Congress. Next, Shiv Shakti meets Bhim Shakti again. Next, it literally pays to be generous. Next, on page number 12, in that Iran boasts to the people, apologizes morality police. Next, Shanghai 2 is curbs even as China reports 2 more deaths. Next, UK may deploy army to deal with strikes in run-up to Christmas. Next, Pakistan working on plans to engage long closed airports. Next, Aramco Lubraf experts expects to rise $1.32 billion from IPO. Next, OPEC Plus keeps oil curbs in face of Russia sanctions. Next, EU poised to ban all imports of Russian seaborne crude from today. Next, top EU fraud cop want to go after Russia sanction evaders billions in tax cheating. Next, woman slips into a coma after COVID jab. Next, Bybit plans to cut 30% of workforces. Then on page number 13, it's an article section in that don't take foot off a pedal. Next, taxing proposition. Next, on a wing and prayer. Next, influencer SEBI lost battle. Next, emerging AI, what affects us. Then next on page number 15 in that crude concern about Russian oil. Next, 35 basis points rate increases may be a part of the courses and India's global growth standing. That also in article section. Then we comes to page number 16 in that India's INC takes mental health to heart. Firms using data sensing manages to help employees as experts says more awareness acceptability needed. Next, women rural poor lagging due to digital divide. Oxfam report. Then on page number 17 in that listed reality measures home in on market share gains, price hikes. The sector has been able to offset interest rate input cost pressures. Next, average SIP ticket size shrinks 23% in over 3 years. Next, markets will now track underlying earning growth. Next, a steady outperformer in the hybrid category. Next, next action may shift to border market. Next, peeping hot demand to assist PVC pipe makers. Next, firms switch horses midstream, pause to press play on pre-file. Then on page number 19 in that over caution could stymie investment advisor growth. Next, demand for exorbitant transfer charge illegal. Most states don't allow society to charge beyond rupees 10,000 to 25,000 seek legal remedy if subject to high demand. And on page number that much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.